Hi, good evening. In this video, we will explain how to download and install TeamViewer or Anydesk software. These are the two software which we use to remotely connect with your computer for installing a new software or to give a technical support to you. So you need a browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. You can use any software. So when you open a Google Chrome, you just need to go to a website called teamviewer.com. So when you open a website teamviewer.com, you will see a button says download for free. Click on the button that says download free. It will start downloading the software on the bottom here. If you're using any other software like Microsoft software, then the download will come somewhere on this side. Once this is downloaded, it will be like this blue color. Just click on the exe and it will start opening the exe and start the installation process. Once this installation is started, you can close your browser or you can leave it open, it doesn't matter. Choose default installation, press next, then it will ask you press yes, and then it will start installing the software. It's very small software, it installs within few minutes. Once the software is installed, it will ask you for a license agreement. Tick on I accept the license agreement, press continue. Then it will open this screen, and if you're connected with the internet, close this browser, close this advertisement. You will see your ID and password here. Always tick on start TeamViewer when with Windows, and you need to take the picture of this section where it says allow remote control, and it will allow us to connect with your computer. Once we have finished working on your computer, you can change the password by pressing this create new random password. It will change the password, and then we cannot connect with your computer unless you send us the new password. This password keep changing after every few hours or when the computer went offline. So to close the TeamViewer, you can just simply exit the TeamViewer and press exit. To open it again, you can double click on TeamViewer and it will open again, and it should show here ready to connect. If there is no ID or password here and it's showing on the bottom cannot connect, please check your connection. That means you are not connected with the internet. You need to make sure you are connected with the internet using the Ethernet cable or the Wi-Fi. Once you are connected, it will show an ID and password. Thank you for watching this video. Now the TeamViewer installation is finished. So if the purpose of watching this video is just to learn how to do the TeamViewer, then you can stop watching here. But for any reason, if you're unable to download TeamViewer because some internet companies like TalkTalk, Router block TeamViewer, then you can install another software called Anydesk. Again, for Anydesk, the website is anydesk.com, and you can go on Anydesk and then you can click or you can close the advertisement page. So this is advertisement, you close it, and then you press download now. Again, this is also free software, so similar to TeamViewer, it will start loading the software here, and then once it's downloaded, once it start blinking blue, you can just click on it. It will start installing the software and automatically give you your ID, and you can share this ID with us. When we try to log into your computer will ask us that somebody is trying to log in, allow, and you need to press the allow button. Or if you are going away and you want to set a password for us, you can also set a password by clicking on this button, and then you can go into the security. In the security, you can take on enable unattended access and write any password here. So for example, I'm writing here England, ENGLAND 123, and then ENGLAND 123. Let me write it again. Yep, and press apply. Now this password is set. So all you need to do is go back to settings, or you can close the setting. You can just go to new session on the top and give us this ID and the password you set. Alternatively, if you don't want to set the password, then the only difference it will make is every time we will connect with you using the Anydesk, your computer will pop up a message saying somebody is trying to connect, allow, and you need to press allow. So you need to stay in front of computer while we are connecting with your machine. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on our support number. Thank you.